Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So after installing this update KB5083769 or KB5082417 on your Windows 11 computer, if the file explorer is freezing, so it completely locks up or it freezes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these three commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMP in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, the next step is to uninstall recently installed update. So you can go to Windows settings, go to Windows update, go to update history, scroll down. Here you can see uninstall updates, click on it. And over here you will see KB5083769 and KB5082417. So you can uninstall these updates. Now, before you uninstall it, let me inform you, uninstalling updates may put your PC at risk. So if you agree, click on uninstall, uninstall these two updates. And once the uninstall is complete, I'm not uninstalling, in my case it's working fine. So uninstall these updates. After you uninstall these updates, once the uninstall is complete, you have to restart your PC. The restart is a must after this. And after the system restart, again go to Windows Update and then go to here. You can see get the latest update as soon as they are available. If this is on, turn this off to stop the automatic update. And you can even pause the update for maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You can select the period and you can pause the update to stop the automatic update. Now in future, whenever you want to install future updates, you can always click on resume updates to install future updates. Still not working, the last step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. You can go to Windows Update option and then go to advanced option, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option, click on it, fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the freezing issue with File Explorer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.